Excalibur, Las Vegas. Standard king room. And this is a king suite room. You can see in the regular standard king, you got a table with one odd chair sitting in the corner. But in the king suite, you got that nice soaking tub. And you already know when you add water and bubbles, it's magic. But anyway, you can see right here, you got king bed, which is nice and comfortable. You can see you got a refrigerator here, but that woodworking definitely needed some upgrade. Right here you got your strip view, which is a nice strip view from the Excalibur there. You can see the trolley tracks down there. It's pretty good, nice ass king size room here. We're gonna take a peek in this closet. It comes with a safe, luggage rack, ironing board, and iron, you know what I'm saying. Behind you got that big mirror so you can get dressed in it, look good. This flat screen definitely could have been bigger for the room, but cold air, good comfortable king bed, good price, good to go.